Here I have Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once you can switch this mode by holding your finger and you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for this mode. You can change its name, you can change days on which it will be active, and you can also set up like start time and end time of the schedule. You can also add exceptions for this mode, like you can add calls from anyone, from contacts only, from shared contacts only, or from nobody. You can add messages, you can add conversations, you can add repeat callers to exceptions. You can also add alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, calendar events, and also reminders. You can add apps to exceptions, and you can also hide notifications. So like you can set up which notifications you want to hide and which you don't want to, or you can just hide them all. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.